Oh, can that be in, please? Let's go! Welcome back to another episode of Country Road. Ever since I got my new controller, Rocket League seems more fun than it was before. This is competitive 3s, because I'm still not comfortable enough to get back into 1s. It's not that I'm scared, it's that this controller, I'm not as comfortable with it as I wish I was. Like, I would probably be more comfortable with my broken PS4 controller than I am with this one right now, even though it works way better. Almost. Oh, I was just about to go, that's how you do it, guys, because they all kept trying to hit it after they passed it.
Nope.
Oh, I didn't see the second guy go for it. Ah, got stuck on the wrong side of that car. Somebody? Oh. Let's go! Yes! Aw, man. Why would you give up now? Okay, everyone's still here. Ah! I went right over my head, I wasn't ready. I'm not gonna give up. So you can leave if you want, whoever's forfeiting. Sometimes I wonder if they can hear me because... Shoot. I have a microphone. There are in-game, you know, comms. For reals? All three of us? Ah. One second, dude. Ah. Why do I feel slow? That one I don't mind forfeiting. All the way down to Plat 1. I am on a new controller, and I do know for a fact that every time I change controllers to a brand new one, I have to knock off all those bad habits I picked up from trying to make a bad controller work. Ah. No, you don't got any boost, just back off.
Negative, Ghost Rider.
Oh, can that be in, please? Let's go! Sounded like a scarab. Oh, I'm getting it. I'm learning. Nope. If anybody's got a good, like, learning air car control training pack or something, let me know in the comments. I really want to get good at air roll and I don't know how to practice it. Okay. Thanks. Oh man, almost had that. Oh, really? No! Shoot. I got confused. After I messed up whatever it was, I already can't remember what it was. It's like my fingers started tripping on each other. Gave them so much time. Nope, there's no boost. Wow. There we go. Silly primate. Tricks are for kids. Oh, maybe that's why he has the fruit explosion. That's pretty cool. He's on theme. I wish I would have gotten that shark gold explosion when it came out, but I like my checkered flags titanium white too much to give it up. Really? Oh, that was nice. Somebody? Silly, go! Let's go! When I saw the guy at the bottom, the other one, there, take out that guy. I knew he was leaving it for him. Oh, and Holy Souls. wasn't on the ground. No wonder he couldn't jump to defend. Oh, his teammate stole that. Oh, really? What a pinch. That was like a pass. Oh no. Is that in? Oh, he backed off.
Nope.
I almost had that. Come on. Give me a boost. Everyone go ahead. No. We're winning. Not bad. Oh, how? What? Just trying to get back to Plat 2. Whoa. Haha, got you back. What? I was busy half flipping that I... Oh man. Oh, it's ho ho ho. I was like, I thought I heard something go Snorlax. I really badly want a Pokemon themed Pokemon themed season of Rocket League. Oh, wrong way. Calm down. Reset. Ah, still not ready. Oops. I'm starting to understand this air roll thing. Okay. Admiral Matt Bar got it. They're right next to each other. I'm gonna separate just a little bit, guys. Just a little bit. That works. And he didn't have a Christmas themed... Oh no, it's the other guy who's doing the ho-ho-hos. I didn't know which way to turn. What happened? Maybe he got kicked from the game, like not leaving. I'm trying to pass it to you guys. Just stay in the middle. Somebody? Is that guy having problems or something? Nice. Help. Let's go. You know what they should have given us when they did that Star Wars? That was the worst kickoff. Ah, shoot. I was thinking about, instead of giving us the skins that look like Anakin's pod racer, they should have given us Anakin's pod racer. I'm sure they could have fit it all into like a plank hitbox. I got enough boost for that. Ah, come on. That was so in their net. Oh. I was messing around with the jump button. I wanted to try a wave dash to get that boost, and I ended up flipping over and through it. Let's go. He's watching. He knows what's up. Okay, we got our lead back. Wasn't fast enough. Saw what was up. I saw what was up. Please. Ah. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. We're air rolling at least. Ah, I should have aimed that better. I could have gone for an air dribble. I don't know how, but I could have tried. Let's go. That was quite a crazy game there with one player in and out, back and forth. Glad we got it together and we got the win. Thank you so much. Oh! And on that bombshell, I think it's time to end. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.